Hey guys, Solutions here. I'm just going to show you on Forza Horizon 3 Blizzard Mountain where you can find the barn find. So as you can see, it's just located on the left side of the map near where the snow gum forest is, and it should be roughly around here. Okay. See, you're going to want to do a little bit of off-roading because it's never going to be an easy place to find. And it's just here.
Yep, definitely should have brought a jumper. I think that's a Harvester Scout. How did it get here? Not even here as in the mountain, here as in Australia. Or whatever, let's get him back to a warm garage.
And there we have it, Forza Horizon 3 Blizzard Mountain barn find.
Rarer than a Yeti. Let me work on it.